Hi. Now I will start putting the carrots is already there. Here is it. Okay. I'm going to put next the the potato. I'm going to put now the potatoes here. So I will let that to boil until it cooks. Then I will come back to put next the cabbage. Hi. Now I'm gonna put the cabbage. This cabbage. I'm gonna put it in now. Mm, yeah. I just let it to boil. I use a small pot. I just let it to boil until it cooks. Okay. Hi. Now I'm gonna check it. Now it's a bit cooked now, but I make a little bit cook the cabbage. And you can see here. It looks nice. Mm, okay. Notice it. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So this is our dinner. I'll just ask my husband if you want overcook the vegetables, the cabbage, because I don't want pretty overcooked, but I will ask him first. Darling, would you like the cabbage overcooked or no? Oh, okay. So, okay, it's fine. Now this is cooked. This is cooked now. I'm gonna turn it off and then start preparing our meal. Oops. I will start to prepare our meal now. I'll turn it off. Okay, here I will put the plates here. I'll do it for you. Now I separate this veg.